Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Confirm your iPhone has a recent iOS and enough battery so settings won't abort. Open Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Turn it on. Next, scroll to the app you need and pick while using the app or always depending on the feature you want. Once done, make sure the app shows the location indicator when active so you know it's receiving data. This saves guessing and is the fastest first fix. Continue by refining accuracy and system behavior. Tap the app setting and turn precise location on if it needs exact coordinates. Without it, you may get rough positioning. Then go into System Services and enable relevant options like location-based alerts and setting time zone so background services work. If you run a VPN or third-party firewall, temporarily disable it because those can block location requests. Once adjusted, force quit and relaunch the app to let new permissions register. Finish by restarting your iPhone and updating the app from the App Store. That clears transient permission bugs. Test with Apple Maps or Compass to confirm the device itself has a working GPS fix. If the app still fails, uninstall and reinstall it, then retry permissions. Key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, reset network settings or choose Reset Location and Privacy. This clears misconfigurations without erasing content.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.